Hello and welcome to PMCLounge.com. My name is Shoaib and I am the voice behind all the videos that you see on this website as well as our official YouTube channel youtube.com/PMCLounge. I would like to request you to subscribe to the channel if you're watching this on YouTube and haven't done so already. Now in this video, I will be talking about a question that I was asked in one of my own job interviews. And I had to think a bit before I could answer that. And I wasn't very content with my answer either. I wasn't really happy with it. I got the job, by the way, and later I even asked the interviewer what he thought about how to answer a question like that. The question was, what will you do if you see that there is a risk on your project, but you are not able to mitigate, avoid, or transfer that risk? Would you accept the risk? Now, the problem with this question is twofold actually. Problem number one is that there is a risk that you cannot mitigate. Some of us might take this as a shot on our risk management capabilities, and we would like to see what can still be done. That was my answer in the interview as well. What can I do, right? I cannot mitigate it, I cannot do anything, but still I'd like to give it a shot. What can I do? I'd give it another chance basically. The problem number two with this question is accepting the risk that is not really doing much about it, but simply accepting that there is something that can go wrong is not an answer you would want to give in a job interview, right? So you're basically accepting a risk and not doing anything about it. Do you want to give that answer in a job interview? The thing is, in a job interview, we want to put our best foot forward. You don't want to accept risks because accepting sounds somewhat like a last resort. When I discussed this with the interviewer, he told me that it was a trick question. You see, you are a project manager and you're not a superman, right? So if there is absolutely nothing that can be done about a risk, then your only option is to accept it and move on. Accepting the risk is indeed an option in handling risks, by the way, in your risk management knowledge area. So you shouldn't be afraid to use that option. Of course, you can calculate the impact and probability and EMV and all those good things. And if the values are low, that should give some respite too. But don't hesitate to accept risks as well. Now, what do you think? What would your answer be to this question? Let me know in the comments. I am definitely looking forward to your answers. If there is a risk that you cannot mitigate, you cannot avoid, you cannot transfer, are you going to accept the risk? And this is a question from a job interview. So that's all that I had in this video. Hope you got value out of it. Smash that like button and don't forget to check out the website PMCLounge.com, your #1 free PMP resource. Thank you and have a nice day.